Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Mike and today we're going to do a new practice object in Plasticity 25.1, so the newest version, right? Okay, let's get started. We're going to jump to our front view and we're going to go and grab our menu and move that over here just because I like it that way, right? We're going to grab a circle. We're going to start on the origin. We're going to do something like this. Then we're going to hit O on the keyboard for offset. And we're going to bring that in to about there, I would say. That's good. And we're going to click on OK. Then we're going to grab a straight line. Let's go from, let's say, here to here, right click. We're going to hold down Alt X to mirror that over to the other side right there. We're going to click on OK. Then we're going to continue with our straight line. On this one right here, we're going to move over to about there, go down here, move over, go up one, and then what we're going to do is, let's see, do this, and right click. And we're going to do Alt X again to mirror that over. Then we're going to go in here and we are going to go and hit 2. I need to click on OK first. And then we're going to select these two. We're going to hit J to combine. We'll select these two, J, that one as well. There you go. We're going to take our little trim tool here. We're going to get rid of this. And now we got one face going on here, right? I'm not sure if I can combine these two. Yeah, I can. Great. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and in face mode, hit 3. We're going to click on this guy, E to extrude if you don't have that already. We're going to start pulling. And while we're doing that, we're going to hit the tab key so it will go both ways, right? So, oops, bit finicky. Sorry about that. Pull, hit tab key. Continue to pull. That looks good. Click on OK. We don't need to see that anymore, so that's all good. So now that we have that, what we're going to do is we're going to go and grab that edge. Shift click, shift click. There you go. And we're gonna, let's see here, we're gonna round it over. No, we're gonna chamfer it, go the other way. Yeah, that looks cool. Right, next up, I'm gonna grab all the edges, and we're gonna pull that. Let's see, I don't want to round over, I want a chamfer. It looks a little better. Yeah, cool. So that worked. Quick check in our perspective view. I just like to do that sometimes. That looks okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some slots in the top for bolts. So we're going to jump to our top here. We're going to grab a circle. Not too big, all right? We're going to shift D to duplicate that. Then we're going to pull that over to about here. We're going to accept. We're going to grab a straight line. We're going to go from here to there. Right click. Do that again. From here to here. Right click. Get your trim tool. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And there you go. And click on OK. All right. Then we're going to combine these. Hit J, we're going to hit G to move this up. Click on OK. We're going to hit E for extrude. And we want to make sure we're in face mode when we do that. That looks about right. Okay. Then what we're going to do is mirror that over. Click on OK. In object mode, we're going to hit G to push them through. Right, then in object mode, select this guy, hit Q on the keyboard, select this guy, and select this guy. I need to do one by one, looks like. So Q, and there you go. And okay, we don't need to see that face. Then we're going to go in here, we're going to grab those top edges. Do that. All right. Next up, we're going to create some rivets. So let's jump to our top view. And let's not make them too big. That's about right. Hit O for offset. And that looks okay. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to go to face mode or hit 3. Select this guy, pull that up. That looks fine. We're gonna hide this guy and this guy. Move that down and move that in here. We're gonna check from the top view. That looks pretty much spot on. That's fine. Let's look at the height. Let me get in here and edge mode. Just the tiniest fillet. All right. We're going to copy that over. So in object mode, hit Alt X again, move that over, and there you go. We want a bolt head on that. So we're going to grab this guy, jump to our top view, click and pull. Right now we're 5-sided. You can hold down the shift and scroll with your wheel and you'll get something like this. Let's do 6-sided. That looks okay. Then we're gonna hit extrude in face mode. Face mode, yeah. Pull that up to about there. That's okay. Grab the edge. Sometimes you have to select all of them. They're just a few, so no worries. Right, that's good. Okay, we're gonna hide this. Then I'm gonna put them into position. G to move it. That looks okay. Then we're gonna hit a G and move that again. And once again, Alt X. You want to rotate that position a little bit. You don't want them to look identical, well, in this case mirrored. So we're going to grab this guy and we're just going to manually rotate that by hitting R. That's better. All right. Then we're going to put a rubber ring in the middle here. So we're going to grab another circle. We're going to go in here, click and drag, and go back just a little. Yeah, there you go. That's good. Then we're going to go to face mode and we are going to offset that. Hit O. Let's do this. All right. Then we can go in and set that to the center. Well, we can do it that way or extrude backwards, doesn't really matter. So we're gonna click on this. We're gonna move that back. Check from this side. There you go. We don't need to see that circle. We are going to round that over, so we're going to go and grab these edges. Make that fairly round. Click on OK. Yeah, happy with that. One more check on the perspective view. It looks something like this. Then what I want to do is do a cutout, right? So we're going to grab a cube here, and let me just drag that up. And then we're going to jump to this view. We're going to hit G to move it. All right, and then let's see, we'll click on OK. We'll scale it a little bit until we're happy with the look. Align with that axis. That looks pretty much like a nice quadrant, right? Click on OK, then we're going to hit a G and we're going to move it back. And let's see how far you want that to cut. On that axis right there. Click on OK, go back. Then we're going to select this guy. We're going to Q on the keyboard. We're going to select this guy. We're going to click on OK. And now that's opened up like so, and you can kind of see the internal bushing or rubber ring or whatever that is with a nice clean cutout, right? Now I wouldn't chamfer this or bevel or fillet, whatever you want to call it, but you can. But yeah, that's kind of an approach on how you can do something like this. If this were visual, you would extend the bolts, of course. But if you're looking at a position like this, which that would be, then I would leave it like that, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the little practice model. And if you did, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future videos in Plasticity 25.1 or in any of the other programs that I'm using on my channel, right? Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.